lovers, Jasmine Moyer here, socially distanced in my studio. Yes, this is a special segment of Ever Talk Live. We're lovingly calling it the House of Moyer. And I'm featuring some of the products that I personally love to help you live your most beautiful life. Today, we're bringing back Reema. She's the founder of the Brow Bar by Reema, and we're talking Summer Bombshell Brows. Hey, Reema.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, I'm safe and well. It's so lovely to see you. And congratulations. I heard that this Drama Queen palette is being featured in Boxycharm this month. Now, oftentimes I've been called Drama Queen myself, so I'm excited to have a little namesake palette to play with. And I'm curious, are these all for my eyes, or am I able to contour with this?
It is a complete face kit. You have different colors. You can be very creative with what you want to do. So the green is the main color of this kit. So it is inspired, the color is inspired with the nature and how we women are so naturally like drama queens when it comes to it. So here, and then these are our contouring. This is our blush, if you want to use it. Or for the lighter skin tone women, you can use these two colors. And these are the bronzers. And this is translucent powder. So after you're done with your makeup, or if you're gone out for your night out, so you can always use this powder, dab it on your face to keep your makeup intact.
Summer 2020 looks different than any other summer we've ever been through. We're all required to be wearing masks now. So those of us who are used to flashing our pearly whites and expressing ourselves with our smile have lost the opportunity. So it's all about the brow right now, saying it all with our eyes.
Because you're wearing your mask and brows says it all. So you have to keep up with your brows.
And how can we take our brows from day to night? You sent over some incredible products. I need a little tutorial on day brow to night brow.
Well, I have an essential kit. So if you see, you have this beautiful Microblade Pen. You can use it for your daytime. It is my day essential kit. It has this feathery effect on your brows. So you can just draw it in very gently and it stays put for about 15 to 16 hours. So because of the summer, you don't have to worry about, smudging. You don't have to worry about, bleeding, nothing. So it is just there.
Now, can I wear this in the water? Am I going in the ocean with this microblading pen?
So even if you're jogging, you can wear this. So it is 100% waterproof.
It goes on so light, it almost feathers right into the brow.
Exactly. And it is just less is more. So just go a little bit like a fair light strokes according to your brow shape. And you have this little brow lift you can use. This, you can use it just below your brow line, underneath your brow line.
Instant lift. It's like coffee for the eyebrows. Hello.
Yeah. So you have the day kit has 3 items. So one is the Microblade Pen. The other one is the brow lift and the Bombshell Brow Serum. It has castor oil in it and it has a dab of essential oil. So it helps your brow hair grow in the areas where it needs to grow. If you have any scanty growth anywhere, 30 days guaranteed hair growth with that product.
Oh, wow. That's incredible. Yeah. Well, I'm ready to take these day brows on the town with this gorgeous Joey Galan roof mask. Isn't it beautiful? Reema, how am I going to take these day brows into the nighttime so I can wear my black sequins mask and really accentuate the bombshell brow?
Okay, so the night essential kit has 4 items. The brow pomade, the brow defining pencil, the brow lift, and the bombshell brow serum. Yeah.
How do I use this pencil if I've already used the microblading pen? Do I outline? Do I fill in?
Remember, this is a nightwear, so you're wearing it for night out. So you have to look more glamorous. So you kind of draw the brow line underneath and you create a shape and then the top of your brow line too. And to that, you can add this beautiful pomade. So we have about 6 different shades. So my favorite shade for my skin tone is chocolate.
Oh, Vava Voom. Ready for my close-up.
And add to that, you have this brow lift again. You can use it to gently blend with the rest of your eye shadow product if you have any. Brows serum too, the Bombshell Brow Serum. It has again the castor oil and it has essential oil. Right on your brows and massage it gently before you sleep or in the morning right before you apply your products, so it stays put and conditions your brow hair and helps it grow.
I'm so grateful to you, Reema. It's been such an honor to work with you and be a part of your community for so long. Tell us about your journey to becoming the brow expert, the brow goddess that you are. Where did this start for you?
Well, I'm basically from Chicago. It started from Chicago, and I was known as a brow girl because I did brows really fast, and it was more pain-free. It was quick, and I had the best way of doing the best shapes, like create the best shape. So I didn't actually mess with the shape, so people really wanted me. So I thought, why not use that as a niche and then open in the mainstream? So I started with a little store on the village. It's an Indian city called Devon on Chicago. It's a little small town where you have a lot of shops, Indian shops. From there, I transitioned into the malls, and I opened the first mall. In the first mall I had like a huge success. So from then, it's the history now because we have about 75 stores all over the United States.
Oh, yeah. Incredible. And you have such gorgeous products. The packaging is so chic. It's so glamorous. And I mean, you've become a favorite go-to around LA with many celebrities. When can we expect your brick and mortar in Beverly Hills?
Well, I mean, it was all decided to open in Beverly Hills, and the COVID happened, so we're taking it a break, taking it easy for now. So once everything clears out, and we're ready, so I'm excited. I can't wait to open one in Beverly Hills right now. I mean, everything is fine. Yeah.
We're looking forward to it. In the meantime, please share with everyone where they can find, follow you, and of course, shop your incredible line of products.
Well, I mean, for now, everyone is going online. So our website is www.brrowbarbarima.com. And you can follow us on our Facebook page. It's the same. It's called Brrow Barbarima. Our Insta, it's the same. It's Brrow Barbarima. So I would request all your audiences to follow us and then try out the products and see the difference. This is the best.
After all, it is the summer of the brow.
It is all about the brows, yes, and summer of the brows.
Well, stay safe, stay beautiful, and stay styled. Of course, don't forget your Joey Galone roof mask, and we'll see you very soon. I'm taking these brows out.